Unit 1. Lesson 1. Activity 3.
The day the lights went out. Power cut hits millions. No light, no heat, no trains. Power cut hit New York State yesterday. Millions of people from New York to Canada had no light, no heating, and no food. 30 million people had no electricity for 13 hours. The power cut hit at 7 p.m. while pupils at Thomas Jefferson School were rehearsing for a school concert. I was singing when suddenly all the lights went out, said 11-year-old Loretta Green. Across New York City, people were making dinner. I was cooking soup when the power went off, said Martha Miller in Manhattan. It was dark everywhere. There was no electricity at all. My cooker is electric, so it stopped working. We had to eat biscuits for dinner, and it was really cold because there was no heating. 12-year-old Natasha Spendak was travelling home. My train was leaving the station when the lights went out, she said. The train went dark. A woman screamed and then it stopped. In the dark. It was really scary. Ambulances and hospitals were busy through the night. The traffic lights stopped working, so there were some bad traffic accidents, said James Fenner of the New York Ambulance Service. There were a lot of problems at home and in the streets. Some people broke an arm or a leg. There was no moon last night, so travelling by car was very difficult. It was really dark in Times Square, said Mario Bolatelli, a police officer. A lot of people left their cars in the street and walked home. At New York Zoo, an elephant escaped. The lights went out while we were feeding the animals, said Marnie Sherlock of the zoo. Someone forgot to close the gate, so the elephant escaped and walked down the road to the supermarket. It's okay now, though, and is safely back in the zoo. Why was there a power cut across a large part of North America? The answer is a squirrel. We're very embarrassed, said John Matlock of New York Power. A squirrel jumped on the power lines and they stopped working. It was an accident. We're very sorry.